This is the second example. We are to solve by Picard method. That is the y on the s equals x plus y squared. This is the function that we have been given. And this is our initial value. That is y of 0 equals 0. Also, we are to find 0.1. So we are approximating at 0.1. First of all, let's write our data down. We are finding y prime equals x plus y squared. And our initial value, so here is our s naught equals 0, y naught equals 0, y naught is the same as y. We are approximating at, let's say, a equals 0.1. Very good. And we're having a series of times that we are going to solve. We are taking n equals 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So let's say we are approximating 3 times. Now, how do we solve the Picard method? We solve it by going on with the formula. The yn equals y naught plus the integral s x naught f of x y n minus 1 x. So this is the formula that we use to solve the Picard method. We know our y naught already. The y naught is 0. We know y naught. So let's proceed. Let's put n. Put n equals 1. So we are putting n equals 1. We are having y power 1 equals y naught plus the integral x naught. The function of x, comma, here is n minus 1, so it will be y 1 minus 1, which is 0. So y 0 dx. Now, as I said earlier, I said the y power 0 is the y naught that we are having. So here will be 0. So we are having y naught plus integral s x naught f of s comma 0 dx. It means that the y value here is 0. So we are not going to write any value in terms of y here. So we are going to pick only the x value there. So now we are having the integral s naught x dx. So when you differentiate x, we are going to get s squared on 2. Very good. So this is our y1. y1. Very well. Now, let's proceed to y2. We have to put n equals 2. So if n equals 2, y will be 2 equals y naught plus the integral sign s naught x, the function x comma 2 minus 1, and we know 2 minus 1 is 1 x. So we know our y naught is 0. So just write 0 plus integral s naught is 0, 0x. You know your function, this is your function. And we know that s is x. So we are going to write x plus the operation sign over here, plus the y bar. The y power 1, we had s squared on 2. So we are going to write s squared on 2 dx. Very good. So you are going to integrate this side. So when you integrate x, you are going to get s squared on 2. S squared on 2 plus, we are going to integrate this one also. Very good. And mind you, there was squared here, so you're going to square this side. All squared. It's different from the x, so you are going to square it here. So here will be 4. 2 multiplying 2 is 4. And here will be 2 squared, which is 4. Very good. So when you integrate s power 4, we are getting s power 5 On 5 times 4, the 5 multiplying the 4, which is 20. Very good. Okay, so this is our y2. Let's proceed to y3. y3. We know our y0 to be 0 plus the integral s0 f of s comma. So it will be y2 3 minus 1, which is y2 the x. So now y3 is 0 plus the integral s0 f of, you write your function, and the function was s plus y squared. So now the y not y power 2, we are going to write the value what we had here, all squared. So it will be s plus bracket s squared 2 plus x5 on 20 all squared dx. Very well. So you are going to integrate this function. I'm going to integrate, don't look at the function again. So you are going to integrate this one. So if we integrate x plus, so first of all, if you are using the quadratic format, so s squared, here will be all squared. So it will be s power 4 on 4 plus the 2 will multiply this all throughout. So you are going to get s power 7 all over. Let me do it this way so that you get to 2 multiplying s squared on 2 s power 5 on 20 plus this whole square. We are simplifying this bracket. Yeah, we haven't integrated yet. So here will be 5 multiplying this one into what? 10. We are going to get s power 10 all on the 2 will multiply the 20 squared is going to get, we're going to get 40 dx. Very good. So now we are getting x plus s on 4. We're going to multiply 2. The 2 can cancel these 2 out. So you are getting this plus this, the base are the same. So we're going to add the powers. So you are getting s power 5, s power 7 all over to 20 plus x 10 all over 40x. Now we can proceed integrating it. So when you integrate s, you are going to get s squared on 2. And you integrate s power 4, you are going to get s power 5. 5 times 4 is what? 20. Very good. We are going to integrate s power 7. And s power 7 is going to give us 8. So s power 8 on 8 times 20. 8 16, so we are going to get 160 plus here will be 11. So 11 yes 11 times 40, we are going to get, so let's get 0 4, here will be 0, here will be 4. So we are going to get 4 4 0. So it will be 4 4 0. Very good. Now we've approximated 3 times, so we are going to just place in our point that we are to approximate at. So now y of, we are to approximate at y of 0.1. Y of 0.1. Getting, so s is 0.1. So 0.1 all squared on 2 plus 0.1 over 520 plus 0.118 over 760 plus 0.1440. At this instance, just a matter of algebra. At this instance, it's just a matter of algebra. So you just punch in your value. Let's punch in our value. So I get
The last one.
Oh, okay. Very good. So you have it 0.1 squared on 2 plus 0.1 5 plus 0.1 160 plus 0.1 11 So this will be our result. Zero point zero zero five. Sorry, 5 point. You're getting 5.000. So this will be our answer. Alright.